Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to explain to you how you can make yourself disappear on Omegle. So basically you are going to look like you're vanishing on your webcam. This is really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So in order to do this, you're going to need a software which is Manicams, which is totally for free and you can download it from the Manicam website. So after you've got many cams, what you are going to do is just head over to Netflix, to Omegle, and once you are here, you should be able to see this icon right here, which is saying that the page is accessing your whole webcam and microphone. We are going to click on this one and head over to manage. Now here you are going to see permissions and just select camera. Now this is going to show us the pages who have access to our camera, but most importantly, what camera are they using? And here you should be selecting Manicams. Once you've done that, you can just close this tab. So now I'm going to head over to Manicam in order to explain you the next part of this tutorial. So once we get here, now in your case, this screen should now be showing what is what you are able to see on your webcam. In my case, it doesn't work because I have my recording software running, but in your case, you should be able to see yourself. Now you are going to have to walk out of the frame and take screenshot of the screen without yourself in it. After you've done that, we are going to just create another layer, and here you are going to put in the image of your background without yourself in it. I'm just going to create one without it because I obviously am not in the you can't see me. So after I've got these two layers, the first one should be your actual webcam working without any issues, and the second one should be the screenshot of your background without yourself in it. And the only thing left for you to do is just make the transition between both of them, and this will make you seem as you are disappearing. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Now you can go ahead and just use this on Omegle and prank other people to make it seem that you're vanishing on your webcam. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.